Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the johnsonsisters.com website. And before we get into the review, since this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So link below in the description for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here on johnsonsisters.com, we have it here opened up. So as you can see, this is what they sell. They sell women's apparel. So this is more likely geared towards mature or elderly women. Well, not elderly, but like moms above the age of 40 and above for dresses like this. Or if this is your style also, if you're younger, then go ahead, why not? However, they do have the red flags or the traits of a scam website. And there are a lot of websites like this that look the same. Since as you can see right here, if you hover on this dress right here, this is exactly the same dress. However, they just edited the color of the dress. They just changed the HSL sliders on this one. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this website is legit or not, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.6 out of 5 stars with 4 reviews. However, those 4 reviews are all bad. Since as you can see, I won't buy anything against the Johnson sisters. I've bought better made clothes on Amazon for $20 than this. I wish I could rate this lower. This company is dishonest to the core. So please guys, do not order from this website. They are obviously a scam. And that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.